In this video, I will show you how to edit a playlist name on YouTube. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to open your playlist settings, change the title and save the updated name so your playlist is easier to organize and recognize. If this video helps, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. Now, to get started, what you want to do is head over to YouTube and log into your account. Once you've done that, if you come over to the left hand side, and from here what you want to do is scroll down to the You section where you're going to find your playlists. So give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to a screen with all your playlists, and from here you want to find a playlist that you want to edit the name for. Now in this example, what I'm going to do is use my Roblox playlist just down here, and what you want to do is click underneath the playlist on the View for Playlist link. So you want to click just down here. That's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, to edit the name, you can see we've got this pencil icon which says Edit Playlist. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window like this. And from here, you can change the title of your playlist. So I'm going to change it, for example, to just Roblox Tutorials. And what I'm going to do is click on to save at the bottom. Now, as you can see straight away, the playlist name is going to update. And that is how to edit playlist name in YouTube. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.